Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete offline Google Maps on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your offline Google Maps which you downloaded on your phone, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen over here. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there it says the offline maps just below the location sharing. Tap on offline maps and all of your offline maps which you had downloaded on your Google Maps application in the past will be over here. Now in order to delete a certain map, you can see at the right side of those map there is a three dotted icon available for us over here. Tap on that three dotted icon at the right side of that map and the delete button is available for us. Tap on delete and tap on yes, and that offline map will be deleted on your Google Maps application. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete offline Google Maps on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys.